I was thinking to say something special to all of you. First of all, I have a question. I brought some notes here so that I don't forget what I want to say. Is there anyone here sitting who is currently suffering from cancer? Okay, so we have few people here. So for those people, and for all those people who have some relatives or friends who are suffering from cancer, I have some great news for you. Number one, first of all, you all have to remember this, that because my job is to deal with brain cancer patients, and also when I was practicing medicine, I dealt with various cancer patients. So I want to tell you something, it's a good news, that cancer does not mean death. This is the biggest myth people have. They think that cancer means death. It's totally treatable, but it needs your doctor and your cooperation with it. The doctor alone cannot do it if you're not willing to cooperate. That's number one. Number two is a research was conducted lately in New Jersey. A group of neuroscientists, they were researching about chemotherapy, and they introduced a new kind of chemotherapy, and that has endorphin as chemotherapy. Endorphin is a very powerful therapeutic agent, and the good news is that you do not need to buy endorphin anywhere in the market, or your doctor does not need to prescribe it. The reason is that the good news is that your body naturally produces endorphins. Each one of us has this capacity in our brain to release endorphins. But now the challenge is, how do we release endorphins naturally in our body? So I will give you some tips how you can naturally increase your endorphin levels in your brain. It will not only treat your cancer, it will save you from cancers as well. So it's for everybody here. Point number one is exercise. If we exercise every day 30 to 40 minutes, our brain releases endorphin, and that lasts 15 hours in our body and helps against cancers, fights against cancer. That's the best way to release natural chemotherapeutic agent in your body. Second point, that's the very important point, and that is positive mental attitude. We have to develop a positive mental attitude, because positive mental attitude has been proven to release endorphin in your body. And how you develop positive mental attitude, people say it's very easy than done, but I tell you it's very easy. You have to spend time with positive and happy people. Stay away from negative friends, negative relatives. If somebody is your relative and he is a negative person, that does not mean you have to spend time with him. You can choose to spend time with anybody you like. So stay with positive people, spend time with happy people, and stay away from negative people, and watch comedy movies. You know, watch funny TV shows. The more you laugh, the more you enjoy, the more endorphins your body releases. So that's another factor. Spend time with your loved ones, your grandsons, your granddaughters, your family, good family. And two more important points, and I will finish my talk with that. That setting goals in our lives has been proven to release endorphins in our body. Now, how do we set goals? First of all, you have to have a purpose in your life. If we discover the purpose of our life, then it is easier for us to set our goals. Unfortunately, 99% of people do not know the purpose of their lives. It's a long story, and it will need hours to explain how you discover your passion. I will be here after the meeting as well, so if somebody wants to know, I will explain. But in a few seconds, I would like to tell you that you discover your passion by doing something you love to do. If you love to sing, start singing. If you love to paint, start painting. If you love to act, start acting. So it's about what you love to do. That's the passion. That's you're created for. So passion is something which makes you energetic rather than getting tired. You can do it 24 hours non-stop and you still want to do it, and you hate to sleep because you were so much into it and you decided, no, I just want to do it again. And then you're excited, okay, if I have to sleep, I want to wake up early so that I can do the same thing again. That is something your passion is all about. So once you discover your passion, you set goals. Set goals, set a target, and start doing something towards your goal. And if you set a goal, start your journey toward your goal. That's the way you will release endorphin. And let me tell you, if you have goals, I want to tell you something. People do not fail because they do not have goals, or they have, actually people fail because they have small goals. You have to have huge goals. Why don't all of us think something huge, like we do something internationally for cancer patients, raise up some billions of dollars together for cancer patients. And if we set up this goal, or we set up a goal that we want to create a hospital which treats patients for free, something like that. If we have that kind of goal and we follow that goal, that's where our body releases endorphin. So this is all I wanted to talk about, and I'll be here. You can ask questions whenever you want. And I'll repeat once again quickly: exercise, staying positive, stay happy, spend time with positive people, stay away from negative people, watch comedy TV shows and movies and whatever you like, and then set goals after discovering your passion. That is all I wanted to say today, and I will be here after the talk. You can ask any questions with me. Thank you.